In this video, we can see the opening and closing of crocus in a single day, starting out in the morning when they're covered with snow until that snow melts in the afternoon. That opening and closing of crocus is actually a sophisticated survival mechanism called nastic movement. Specifically, crocuses use a combination of thermonasty, which is reaction to temperature, and photonasty, which is reaction to light. Unlike humans, plants don't have muscles, so they move by changing the size of their cells. When snow comes out and warms the air, the cells on the inner side of the petals grow faster than those on the outside. This imbalance pushes the petals outward, opening the bloom. When it gets dark or the temperature drops, like at night or during a cold rain, the cells on the outer side grow faster than the inner side loses water pressure, and this forces the petals to curve back inward, sealing the flower shut. And this isn't just for show, it's a strategic movement to protect the plant's most valuable asset, its pollen. Closing during a rain or heavy dew prevents the pollen from being waterlogged. Wet pollen is heavy, clumps together, and is much harder for bees and other pollinators to carry. By closing at night, the crocus protects its reproductive organs from frost and freezing temperatures common to early spring. Crocuses stay closed when it's too cold or dark for bees to be active anyway. They are only open for business when the conditions are ideal for the visitors. You can often notice a change in just a few minutes if a cloud passes over the sun, suddenly hits a patch of flowers. Because they are so sensitive to these temperature shifts, the crocuses can often be seen popping through the snow using the same cellular pumping to push through the crust as soon as the soil hits about 59 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees centigrade. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.